The Beginner's Guide to Using Google Analytics. Today's video is on an interesting free tool provided by Google known as the Google Analytics. This tool is so awesome it is a must-have for marketing online. It is also very useful for SEO purposes and also know how you can tailor your website to the needs of the users. The Google Analytics tool was launched in November 2005 and uses cookies to monitor the traffic and user activities. Hence, if cookies are disabled by the user, the system cannot collect data from them. Know why you should set up a Google Analytics and install tracking code in your website. Now the question is, why should I set up a Google Analytics for my website? Here's a list of some awesome stuff you can do with a free tool. You can track the incoming traffic to your website, the time a user spends on your website. You get to see the location of the best visitors. You get to know the content/web page your audience is most interested in by learning what people like to search on your website. You get to know what people click on the most. You will get the best points of conversion on your website as well as when the users leave your website. You also get to identify poorly performing web pages on your website and work on them for improvements. You can know what advertising strategy you must adopt for a higher conversion rate. The basic usage of Google Analytics will give following information about your website. Traffic sources. You can identify the traffic sources of your website. How a visitor comes to your website. Whether it's a direct traffic, organic traffic that is natural traffic coming through search engines, social media traffic, referral visits that is visitors coming to your website through the hyperlinks from other websites, or visits through advertisements. How to set up Google Analytics for your blogspot blog. Follow these steps to set up Google Analytics for your website and begin tracking user activities in your website. First, you need to go to the Google Analytics homepage and click Sign Up. Make sure you are already signed into your Google account prior to this one. After you sign up, you arrive at the following page. Here you have to enter a name for your account, a name for identification of your website as well as your website URL. It is for identifying your website account from other websites added in your Google Analytics. Add account name, example, brand name. Thanks, select Next button. Add a property name, reporting time zone $currency. Then select Next button. Select a category of your business. Choose company size. Choose the intent to use Google Analytics with your business and select Create button. Choose your country and accept the term and conditions. Then set up a data stream to start collecting data. Select the web option for adding Google Analytics tracking code for Blogspot blog. Under Setup a Stream area, enter your blog address and select its protocol, HTTP or HTTPS. Enter stream name, can be your website name. Then select Create Stream option. Under Web Stream Details, select Global Site Tag. Under Tag Instructions, select and copy the Global Site Tag code JavaScript. After copying the Global Site Tag JavaScript code from Analytics, go to blogger.com. Select Theme option and click on the arrow button near to Customize option. Select Edit HTML. Paste the Global Site Tag code in the head section of HTML. Save the HTML editor. Now you have successfully installed the Google Analytics tracking code in your blog. Go to Google Analytics and check the real-time option at the left menu. If your blog is open, you can see the real-time visits coming your website.